What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we are going to be reviewing this light strip, LED light strip. Is Govee, and I think this is a pretty popular brand name. This one I got it for, I can't even remember what I got it for, but it was a little bit on the cheaper side. But the reason why I got this one because it's 65 foot. Now, don't let that mislead you. It's two of them at 32.8 foot. So you will have one strip doing one thing, and then you have another strip doing another. The ones that are more expensive, you can actually put into the app what part of the strip you want a certain color. This one, I think whatever color strip this is going to be that color. And we will find that out later. Now, if you want to know, this is the model H613D. All right. So the voltage on this is 12 volt DC. The current is 2 amps and the power is 24 watts. And that's enough with the boring stuff. So you can adjust the light and you can use the app with this. This model, you cannot use Alexa, at least from what I've seen, you can't use Alexa. So when you shop for this on Amazon, it will have like the phone right beside it. So let's open the box. So right here you have the power adapter, power source, power supply, whatever you want to call power. Right here you have one strip, 32 foot, and then you have another strip. And this comes in a roll, and this is the power cord for it. And of course you got this sticky, so you could put it on the back of whatever you're going to put it on, so you can hide it. You got the power button right here, standalone. So that's a power, and then it looks like the brightness right here. Like I said, we'll find that out later. And on the back, it got it's a double-sided tape, so it's sticky tape on the back of this. And that's it. So we are going to try to put this up, work through the app, and finalize this review. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right here I have a light strip. I want to send a special shout out to Govee. We're just going to go with Govee. I wanted to send a special shout out to this company. If you plan on getting light strips, go with this company. So I got this one back in, I think it was February. Now, let me plug it in real quick so I can show y'all what happened. Oh, I should have already had it plugged in, but okay. Sorry, you guys. All right, so y'all see what's going on? This thing is turning all types of colors. I cannot turn it off. Even when I go on the app, it stays like this. All right, so red down there, whatever color that is, I guess that's like a bright white color, and it's turning purple, it's flickering. Over there is an orange. This set don't do it. This set is not supposed to do like multi-colors. It's just supposed to do single color. You see how this is single color? So if you tap the button, all of it goes to one color. You tap the button again, you see all of them is the same color. So they sent me the same brand, no hassle. If you go on the app, there is something called rapid replacement. And they replaced this rapidly. I mean, when I called them, the shipping wasn't even a week. it was so quick. You go to the app, hit rapid replacement, and you show them a video like I just showed y'all, like, look, man, this thing is not supposed to be doing this, blah, 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 blah. And they respond quickly, at least one day. They respond quickly and they send out the replacement. And they just emailed me and said, how is everything doing? So I just doing this video to show y'all that this company has great customer service. Okay, you guys, so here goes the Govee set. Turn it on. And it's looking pretty good. All right, now I got all that hooked up in the little rec room area. I can switch colors if I want. Red, green, blue, got the purple, which is, y'all know, my favorite. And I can change to basically anything I want to. And that's about it. Just wanted to show y'all that. I'll go a little bit closer just so y'all can see what's going on. All right, got it on my speakers, behind the TV stand, behind the speaker stands. I'm gonna turn the light on. And of course you can't see it like that, but it still look good even with the light on. All right. And that's about it with the Govee set. Can't wait to put another set in the garage and some more places. So stay tuned if you like strip lights and outdoor light and stuff like that. Like, comment, and subscribe.